Top 5 Benefits of Honey. Beautiful skin. Honey can do wonders for your skin. That's the reason why you will find it in many skincare products today. Honey acts as a great anti-aging agent and moisturizer. It is rich in natural antioxidants that have antimicrobial properties. Fights infections. Honey fights infections even below the top layer of the skin by unclogging pores and cleaning the impurities lodged in this layer. The active properties of honey penetrate the blocked follicle and kill the bacteria which cause acne and pimples. Source of antioxidants. Honey is a great source of antioxidant which plays an immensely important role in protecting the skin from harsh ultraviolet rays. Overexposure to sun rays can damage the skin, cause premature aging and can even cause skin cancer. Great for hair. Honey is a great hair conditioner and softens and smoothens the hair. It improves the health of the hair follicles and the scalp at the same time. Add a teaspoon of honey to your shampoo or use honey by itself to treat rough and coarse hair. Antiseptic and antibacterial qualities. The antiseptic and antibacterial qualities of honey keep the scalp clean. It also prevents fungal infection or psoriasis on the scalp. This further reduces the risk of developing dandruff and itchy scalp. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and